Solution for a Harbor Freight auto-darkening helmet that's too slow to darken. I never read the instructions. I've had this thing about 25 years, and lately, when I strike an arc, I don't weld a whole lot, but I've been welding a lot lately. When I strike an arc, it takes like a second before it darkens, so I'm seeing, sunspots in front of my eyes. I found out there's actually a battery inside, and when you get it new, you're supposed to put it out in the sun for about 4 hours to charge the battery. Ha! Who knew? People who read it, I guess. So there you go. I put it out in the sun for a few hours, and it worked perfectly after that. Just a tip.